Well, I came out here with the intention of using that public grill there, but unfortunately, it's been destroyed. So I went back home and I grabbed this out of my basement. It's the same thing, just not attached to the ground. You're watching Small Plots with Kevin. I'm Kevin. Let's slap some meat on the grill. Of course, the lighter is just not working. That's why I bring this. You don't have to have the lighter work for too long. There you go. Just kind of put that in there. Should light up quite nicely. Ooh, I already smell it. Smells so good. Nice. Well, I kind of wanted a steak dinner tonight, and you know, what better way to cook a steak dinner than in a city park in the middle of winter on a public grill? Well, now it turns out the public grill has been completely destroyed somewhat recently. I mean, it's still there. The city hasn't taken it away yet. So tonight, I got a steak dinner, and as a side, I have another steak. So it's gonna be steak with a side of steak. Let's season them up. Gotta do the sniff test. I've had these frozen since October. Smells like meat. Which is the correct smell, it's meat. It's definitely towards the end. It's still good to go. But it's probably another day or two. I wouldn't be cooking this. Going with my favorite seasoning, Montreal steak. It's kind of a basic seasoning for steak, but it's delicious, so I'm gonna put it on my steak. Beautiful. Since I'm grilling in the winter, I can't not have a little breaking into the beverage center situation here, so I'm going to break into the beverage center. Today we have Southern Tier New Haze. It's a hazy, smooth IPA. I'll be the judge of that. Hazy. Smooth. IPA, as advertised. Now, normally when I'm cooking things on a grill like this, I don't like to put a top on the grill. I find that just kind of like bloats the meat and doesn't really cook it all that great. But because it is freezing today, or below freezing, I'm probably just gonna put the top on so, you know, it actually cooks. That'd be nice. Now there's nothing to do but relax and pretend it's warmer days. All right, well, it looks like they're about time for the quarter turn. It's kind of how I like to cook them. It's how I time them. Get the nice cross hatch. Gotta do a little corner turn. Beautiful. Now, because of the questionable nature of that meat, it's fine doesn't smell bad or anything. I just know that when I froze it, it was like on the edge, and now thawing it out, it's still on the edge. So I'm gonna cook them a little bit more well done, probably in the medium well range. But they are almost time to flip, and how you know, a little hint, a little grilling tip for you, you know it's time to flip it when the blood starts coming up the top. Don't be flipping it all around, this, that, the other thing, that's all time. You want to flip it once. In the entire cooking cycle, you want to flip the steak once. That's not counting the quarter turn that I just did. I'm talking about a full, honest to God flip. One time, baby. Pretty nice day, pretty nice winter afternoon, all things considered. There's about 100% chance of snow right now. As you can see, no snow, but can't win them all, right? It'd be nice to have a nice little snowfall to accompany my outdoor winter grilling, but can't win them all, I guess. Still a very nice day. Still very nice to be out here. Anyone want to play a little tennis? I think they might be good to go. Yeah. Let's find out. Okay. It smells amazing. Okay, let's give it a little slice here. Make sure I'm not about to eat a medium rare, possibly rotten steak. Oh yeah, that's wickedly done. That is on the more well side of well done. Not super, you know, my normal preference, but it's not gonna be bad. I'm not that picky. Let's be honest here. Yep. All right. That's the move right there. I don't know why more people don't grill outside in the winter. This is fantastic. Especially here in the Northeast, United States. If you're only grilling during warm weather, you got like 5 to 6 months out of the year to grill. Not anymore, baby. Yeah, I would say it's not quite as good as cooking it directly on the coals. Go check out some of my camping videos to see me cook steak directly on the coals. Just plopped them right on the coals there. Well, this isn't my normal type of content, guys, but if you're having fun today, I'd appreciate you popping a little subscribe, maybe pop a bell, maybe pop a thumbs up, Papa John's Pizza. Not that last one, just the first three. Really helps me try to grow the channel, put out more videos more regularly. You can expect a video every Tuesday here on the Small Plots YouTube channel. Delightful. Well, I wasn't planning on having a giant hot piece of metal with me, so I'm going to have to kind of think on the fly here. Normally, at least or at this particular grill, I've cooked here before, you kind of just wait for the coals to go down to nothing. And then sometimes there's a trash can around and you get the coals into the trash can. Not so much at this location. So people around here kind of just like scrape the ash out of the grill onto the ground, and it kind of just becomes one with the dirt. There's not a lot of people cooking out here, so it doesn't become that big of a problem. So what I'm probably going to do is just take this grill and dump the remaining coals like next to the broken grill there, kind of like I would if I were using the broken grill, and then put this in the snow for a little while to kind of just cool it down so I can bring it home without setting my car or my fingers on fire. Environmentally friendly. Well, got everything cleaned up, got the grill nice and cool and put away. Really nothing left to do here. I've eaten the steak, I've cleaned everything up, but I'm here. Still a little bit of daylight. No reason why I can't continue to enjoy myself. Yeah, I got a couple of weird looks, but nothing too crazy. I think people just kind of figured out that I was just grilling. It's not that big of a deal. But this has been Small Plots with Kevin. I'm Kevin. Don't forget, everybody, new episodes of Small Plots every Tuesday. Sometimes I do weird random stuff like this. Most of the time I'm going to go camping, do a little stealth camping here and there. Couldn't quite get out this week, so here we are, cooking steaks in a city park in the middle of winter. Well, thanks for watching till the end here, everybody. And I'll catch you on the, is that guy homeless, or is he cooking steaks, or what's he doing? What's that guy doing over there next to you? Mwah.